The main dining room on a cruise ship can be one of the most exciting or frustrating parts of your entire trip. Long waits, limited options, and missed opportunities can leave you feeling disappointed. But what if I told you there are MDR secrets most cruisers never uncover? From hidden perks to insider tips, these tricks can save you time, reduce stress, and make your meals unforgettable. Stick around because I'm about to reveal the best kept dining secrets at sea. Hey y'all, I'm Evan with Family at Sea, where we help make every cruise unforgettable. Dining in the main dining room can sometimes be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm sharing insider tips and little known tricks to help you get the most out of your meals, including how to discover hidden menu perks, ways to avoid common MDR frustrations, and secrets to personalize your dining experience. By the end of this video, you'll know the main dining room secrets most cruisers never discover. So if you're ready, I am. Let's go. The main dining room, also referred to as the MDR, offers more flexibility than you might expect. If you have specific dietary requests or want something simplified if you're a picky eater, just ask your server. The MDR staff can often accommodate off-menu requests like extra sides or preparing dishes with fewer seasonings. If you're in the mood for something unique or need an item adjusted to fit your dietary needs, they're usually happy to help. Small requests like these are a great way to make your dining experience feel personalized. Ever wondered what's truly worth ordering? Crew members often know the best menu items and sometimes even off-menu options that are not advertised. They can also suggest tweaks to make dishes even better, like adding a special sauce or switching out a side for a unique flavor combo. A quick chat with your server can uncover delicious recommendations and clever customizations, giving you a more personal and memorable dining experience. Choosing early dining isn't just about avoiding the late night rush. It also means you're more likely to get the freshest options from the kitchen. Early diners enjoy fully stocked ingredients, ensuring each dish is prepared at its best. By the later seating, some popular items may run low, meaning they may need to be rushed or substituted, which can impact the quality. If you're looking for the best flavors and you want to try the more popular menu items, an early dining time is the way to go. Celebrating something special on board, let the main dining room staff know. Many cruise lines offer complimentary items for celebrations like birthday cakes, anniversary desserts, or even a small personalized plate to mark the occasion. These little extras aren't typically advertised, but if you mention your special moment when you're booking or early on in the cruise and the MDR, the staff can often arrange a surprise treat. It's a nice way to make your trip more memorable without any extra cost. Hey y'all, before we jump into the next tip, if you enjoy content like this or if it's been helpful at all, liking this video and subscribing to my channel will ensure you don't miss out on future videos that can level up your cruise experience. It also means more to me on a personal level than you probably realize. So with that out of the way, let's get back to it. Did you know you can tweak your MDR meal to make it just right? Many main dining rooms are happy to adjust dishes to suit your taste. You can ask for a different side, get a sauce on the side, or even adjust the spice levels. Small changes like these can make your meal feel a bit more personal, and it's a great way to try new combinations. Don't be shy about asking. Your server is there to help make your dining experience as enjoyable as possible. If you're looking for lighter options, the main dining room has you covered, though you may have to ask. Most MDRs offer off-menu, healthier choices like steamed veggies or proteins without the added butter and sodium or salad dressings on the side. These options aren't always listed on the menu, but the kitchen is often happy to accommodate. Whether you're watching calories or just prefer a simpler meal, don't hesitate to let your server know. It's a great way to enjoy your food without compromising on your health goals. While the MDR is flexible, some limitations exist due to the kitchen setup. For instance, steak temperatures might have limited options, and certain allergy requests can only be accommodated within specific guidelines. Cruise ship kitchens are designed to serve large volumes efficiently, so they may not always have the flexibility of a land-based restaurant. Understanding these restrictions helps set realistic expectations, ensuring you enjoy your meal without unexpected surprises. Timing is everything when it comes to getting faster service in the main dining room. Dining during off-peak hours, either early or late, often means fewer crowds and a more attentive experience. Servers have more time to focus on each table, so you're likely to enjoy a quicker, smoother meal without the hustle of peak hours. If you prefer a relaxed and efficient dining experience, consider opting for these quieter times. Do you ever just wish you could have a bottle of your favorite wine at dinner without the high onboard prices? Many cruise lines let you bring your own bottle for a small corkage fee, which can be a great way to enhance your dining experience affordably. Be sure to check the cruise line's policies ahead of time, as each cruise line does have different rules for bringing your own wine on board, but for those that allow it, this little trick allows you to pair your meal with a bottle of wine you know you love while saving a bit of money on the onboard beverage costs. Looking for the perfect dining spot? If you prefer a window view or a quieter section, you can often request these seating preferences with a maitre d'. The trick here is to get there early on day one and make your request before these prime spots have been taken. Requests aren't guaranteed, but the earlier you make them, the better your chances. This is especially helpful for large parties or special occasions. A little planning can turn your dining experience into a more scenic or serene one tailored just for you. One of the best perks of MDR dining is that you can often order more than one appetizer or entree. Many cruise lines allow you to sample multiple, though some may charge a small additional fee for extra items. This is perfect if you want to play it safe with one dish and get adventurous with another. You might even discover a new favorite. Just check with your server if any fees apply before ordering so you're not surprised. Trying to get a taste of home on board? Be cautious when ordering regional specialties, as cruise lines cater to a global audience and may not match your local standards. Instead, try dishes that align with the cruise line's roots. For example, MSC often excels with Italian cuisine due to their Italian heritage, and lines that have an Indian kitchen staff may serve standout Indian dishes. Exploring these unique flavors can be a fun way to enhance your dining experience without the risk of hometown disappointment. Specialty restaurants are great, but you might want to avoid them on certain nights. Many MDRs have special nights featuring popular dishes like lobster or prime rib. To find out which night these dishes will be served, ask the staff early on. That way you won't accidentally miss your favorite meal by booking a specialty dinner on the same evening. It's an easy way to get the most out of your dining options without paying extra. Not everyone enjoys dressing up, but on some cruise lines, theme and formal night dress codes are more strictly enforced than on others. To avoid any surprises, I always encourage you to check the cruise line's expectations beforehand by asking in a Facebook group. This way you'll know exactly what to pack and can decide how much you'd like to participate. Whether you love dressing up or prefer to keep it casual, it's helpful to know what's expected so you can enjoy the evening without any stress. Well, there you have it, guys. Some little known dining secrets to help you make the most of your next cruise. If you're looking to avoid those costly cruise ripoffs, don't miss the link above to my video on the biggest cruise traps to watch out for. It's full of tips to keep your budget in check while maximizing your cruise experience. And if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe, as it lets YouTube know I'm helped so more cruisers like you can find these tips. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, smooth seas and happy sails on your next cruising adventure. Bon voyage!